Hey there, so in this video we want to learn how to open up a Revolut account. Before we start, really important, you will find my partner link to Revolut down in the video description. You may get a welcome bonus, and if you click on it, then you will be redirected to this screen to Revolut, and down here you can just click on create an account. And then Revolut sends you a code via SMS and you can just enter the code. And now you need to create a passcode like you would do for your iPhone when you want to unlock your screen. So just enter a code you can remember. And if you want, you can add a passkey. And next you can enable the instant notifications, so push notifications on your phone. And I would recommend enabling this because it's your banking app. So just click on enable push notifications, then click on allow. And next you need to agree to the privacy preferences. So just click on agree and continue. And you can either allow the app to track you or not allow this. Choose whatever feels best for you. And next you need to verify your identity. Here you can choose a password or an identity card. So please go ahead and choose your preference and click continue. And next it says get ready for your video call because now you will be connected to someone from the Revolut team, an agent, and they will check your identity. And after that, you will be forwarded to your Revolut account and you can start using it. So just go ahead and click continue and you will be connected to an agent from Revolut and have your ID card ready. So they will check your ID during this call. And just before you start, you can choose your preferred language. And as you can see, before you start, you need to have your ID ready. You need to be in a place which is well lit. So turn on the lights and be ready to talk to someone. So this took like 2 minutes and it was a nice lady on the other side talking to me. And I just had to show her my ID and tilt it a little bit so she had all the security check marks on the ID, and I had to give her my date of birth, and then we were pretty much done. I hope you just did the same. And next you will land on this screen and they ask you, are you an US citizen? Because they are required by law to collect taxes if you are based in the US as a citizen or a resident. And on the next screen they will ask you, are you only a tax resident in your country? In my case this is Germany, and here you can answer whatever fits your case. So yes, I'm only based in Germany. And on the next screen you need to provide your tax identification number so they can open up the bank account for you. So for me it's here in Germany. I will just type in my ID and click continue. And on the next screen, they will ask you to set your ref tag, and ref tag is Revolut tag, and it helps other people to find you because Revolut also works like PayPal. You can easily send money to other Revolut users. So the ref tag is like your username for Revolut, and you can also change your profile picture in the upper right corner. So just click on the pen icon and then you can upload your own picture to Revolut. So just choose a ref tag and click continue. And once you have done this, you are on the final step. Now you can select the plan you want to use, and they all have different prices. And the more premium you go, the more additional premium features you get. So just read through them. I will make an extra video about the plans because they can be quite complicated because you have different benefits on all different plans. And yeah, just choose the plan you want to have. And on the next screen, you are presented with different card options. So you have different cards, for example, the gold card or the platinum card. But here you, of course, have to upgrade to the metal plan or to the ultra plan. But you have magenta, which is free, or the original card, which is also for free. Titanium, you have to buy those cards. But yeah, they have plenty of different card options. Just go through, but be aware some of these cards require premium plans or you need to even buy the card. And you can of course customize the card, but I'm good for now. I will just select this card in sage green and get the card for free. And if you want, you can remove the card numbers on your card, for example, the expiration date and the CVV number. And this adds another layer of security because then it's not visible. It's only visible inside the app. For me, I was worried most of the time that someone can read it because then they can go shopping with your card. And here you can easily just get rid of the numbers on your card and you just have the numbers then inside your app. I think it's a good protection measure because then people, they can still put the card on the card reader, but for example, online shopping would be very difficult because they don't have your credit card number or your CVV number. I will just select this and click continue. And then you need to create a PIN for your card. So just go ahead and do this. I think it's very convenient that you can select the PIN yourself. And on the next screen, you have to provide your delivery address. I think it's the same address you typed in before. And once you've done this, you can just click yes, and the card will be sent to your address. And on the next screen, you can choose your delivery method. And of course, I don't want to pay 30 euros for this. I want the express delivery, and then I can click continue. And on the next screen, you can complete your order. You have 1 month for free, and then they will upgrade you to the next plan, to the premium plan. But you can, of course, downgrade later. And you have the card included, which is free. And here you can also add money to your account now from Apple Pay. But you can also go with 0 euros or dollars, and then you can click continue. And now we are on the free plan, and you have your blue credit card, and they will ask you here to add this to your Apple Wallet if you want. I will just choose not now for now. And now we are finally inside our Revolut account. And here we can add money, we can move money, we have our bank account details, and then we can, for example, transfer money to it. And yeah, just go through your account, and here you have the intro to finish up your setup, add money, order a physical card, add your card to the Apple Wallet, and make 3 card payments. And then your account is finally set up. So this is Revolut now. You successfully signed up for Revolut, and I will make a video about it, how you can use it, a tutorial video. I will link you this here in the upper right corner, and if you want, then just go ahead and watch this video.